So here's some of the basic steps of assembling your EcoPanel wall system. 1, refer to the SIP panel plans. You'll notice that each panel is numbered in sequential order and will match the plans. So we start with panel number 1. In this case, it's a corner panel. A foam sealant and a foam sealant gun that is included with your package from EcoPanels of Tennessee is being demonstrated here, but we are not applying the foam because it is an adhesive foam and we plan to take this little display back apart. Once the panel number 1, this corner panel is set, panel number 2 would go obviously right next to it. After the foam sealant is applied, slide the panel over into place and secure the cam locks. You can see the cam locks pull the panels together, and once they're all locked into place, the panel is secure. In a real home, in your home, each wall would have what we call a cheater panel. This allows you to make an adjustment if your foundation is not quite right. This is an area where you can make those corrections. As we complete this little structure, you can see while it's only 8 by 8 and built by fairly inexperienced salespeople, it was still built relatively fast. If you'd like to find out more about how to put together your EcoPanel home, please ask us for our free assembly manual. Shoot us an email or give us a call. We'd be happy to send it to you.